name is Ganesh Patil. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. I have done my academics from Delhi. And talking about my engineering, I have done from Indraprasth Engineering College, which is under Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, and I have secured their 69.2% aggregate. Someone in my family has referred me to join ITP, so I have inquired here and got through some courses and decided to pursue a full stack web development course, which is of 6 months. After a good training with a good trainers, I've got a good IT company, and I want to thank the whole ITP team, the training staff, and thanks to Asfia ma'am, Pranati ma'am, and special thanks to Yogesh sir and Praneet sir for helping me out of this journey. I also recommend you all to join the ITP. Thank you, ITP.